Hey, what's up, guys? Did I find the best all-weather floor mats for my 2026 Model Y? We're going to find out. They're made using 3D laser technology. You get that proper fit, and they're UV resistant. So I'll pull them all out here together. So you don't have to worry about the sun degrading them or anything. And then the temperature rating on these for stability, they're supposed to be stable to keep from cracking down to like negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. And then all the way up to I believe it's 167 degrees Fahrenheit on the upper end. So really good stuff. They're made from a TPE material, which is just short for thermoplastic elastomer. So you guys go check this Lasfit out, and I'll leave a link down in the description below. You know, you can get a discount on these. I believe it's like 14% off. So it's really good. Use my coupon code Zuki if you check out and get these. So I'm gonna go put these in the Tesla. We'll take a look at them in the car. But while we got them out here first, we'll check them out. So they look like a pretty good fit. So this is the passenger side. It says do not place on top of existing floor mats. That's because they're made to contour and fit your vehicle perfectly. So you can see they got some collection points here, you know, for any kind of liquids. You got snow, salt residue in the wintertime. These are great. You know, they're conformed, they'll contain everything, and then you can just dump them out or sweep them, but shop vac them if you want to. And then you can wipe them clean or spray them with a hose and water. So it's the best thing about the floor mats. And then on the back, you can see they got these little nubbies, knurls to help keep them in place, keep them from sliding around. So there's the passenger mat. So we'll set that one over here. We got this one to put in. And of course, this one. We got the driver's side. So it's got the little contour for your footrest, nice deep containment area, and then this will conform to the car, keep everything up. It's got a little traction here for less slippage around where your pedal controls are. Same thing, and I slip on the back. And then one thing I like about, let's see, Lasfit liners user manual. Okay, so they got the installation tips on here. Make sure you remove your existing floor mats, install smoothly. Please adjust your front seats all the way back. Okay, that makes sense. So they got a 90-day money-back guaranteed, lifetime hassle-free warranty, 24/7 online support. So they're out of California. They give you all the information you need. And one thing about this, whenever you're buying something like this, I don't know if you guys do, but what I do is I research the ratings, and these floor mats have a really good rating. I mean, the customer satisfaction is like, they're like 4.8 out of 5 stars. So you know how hard it is to get a rating that high. So these are probably the best bang for your buck, in my opinion. And what I like about this, the rear passenger floor mat here, it's all one piece, nice and flat, because you know you got the nice EV for your back seat. Check what your vehicle has. This is really nice. Everything is contoured nicely. We got the same knurls on the back, so let's go put these in the car, see what they look like. All right, guys, I got the passenger side first. Seems like there's more light on this side. It's a gloomy, rainy day, but we don't care because we have all-weather floor mats. Floor liners, mats, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to put this passenger side in first. We can see how it fits in here. I can already tell it's going down very nicely, contouring to the curves of the car, just so. That looks really good. Very nice. I think I got the allergies. Okay, so we can see that one. Like I said, I got the factory floor mats removed. That way nothing's interfering, and they can fit as they were 3D laser scanned and designed to do. So let's get a closer look. Let's see what's going on here. Push down, everything's contoured nicely. Come here, You got the extended piece that comes back, and these seats are all the way back. So you got plenty of coverage there. Great contour. Like I said, it contours perfectly. You can tell these were laser fit. And what I do like too is this overlay. You know, people tend to drag their feet getting out, and that protects your carpeting. It just gives you another layer of protection, and you can wipe this off after people get in and out. So I really like that. Let's do the driver's side. Got the driver's side, Matt. Get an up close look here while we carry it around. Try to do this one-handed here. Put this in. Of course, we gotta shimmy it under the pedals, which is a no-brainer. All right. So once you get them into place, they go in rather nicely. If it was a sunny day, I'd let these sit out in the sun, but it's not. And that's okay, because they will contour once you get them in place. They sit here for a while. The same thing on this one. This goes back. You still have your extension. Like I said, getting in and out over here. Just due to packaging where these were folded over, this one just had just a little bit of a lip here, but it's already laying flat. So in due time, it will lay flat. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Yeah. Yeah, so it's contoured nicely. It's laying down flat. Like I said, give it a couple days and it'll be completely flat, but still it's a good fit all the way around. The passenger side laid in perfectly. I noticed this one was a little more crinkled from the packaging, but it still went in really well. Yeah, this is the best part right here. The drag in and out overlay. I mean, that's something you don't even get with the factory mats, I've noticed. All right, so in the back. All right, now we're ready to put the back ones in. I've already moved the seat all the way forward, so we have more room. So I'm just going to bring this in here, lay it forward. Well, I got the passenger seat forward. I guess I didn't get the driver's seat forward. Move this forward real quick. Goes in easier, plus it makes it easier to see what it looks like going in. All right, close enough. Close enough. It'll go up more than that, but that's close enough. This will work. So we just want to fish this all up in these little forward cubbies here, get the alignment just right. And then we'll see once that pushes down into place. Perfect. And that looks really good. Let's see if I can get this side from over here, so I don't have to get in front of the camera. Push down, nice and flat. Contours are good. Let's take a little bit closer look. Okay, here we are. You can see looks brand new, contoured, factory-like finish. Nice deep recess to collect any liquids, any grime you want to contain on your floorboards. So it's contouring perfectly, and it'll get better the longer it's out of the box. So I don't know, what do you guys think? These are really nice in my opinion. I'm happy with them. Time to move my seat back. Yeah, the best part about these, as you guys are well aware, is just taking them out, shaking them off, vacuuming up, or wiping them down, or just soaping them up, hosing them off. So there they are. Let's go around the Tesla for one final look. And you know, like I said, this is for my car, this Tesla. However, I'm sure this laser scan technology, you're going to get the same materials for all vehicle types. And with the laser scan, you're going to ensure a proper fit and finish. Very good. All right. I hope that helps you guys. And make sure you check out my link that's listed in the description down below for 14% off. Coupon code Zuki. All right. Peace.